Hello there. In today's tech tip, I want to show you how to use one of Chromebook's accessibility features, text to speech. This feature can be especially helpful for students who have difficulty focusing and looking at a screen for long periods of time or just really smaller font. This feature will allow the user to highlight sections of the screen, whether it's from a web page, a Google document, PDF, and Google Chrome will be able to say the text out loud for the user. Now, you may want them to grab a set of headphones, as it could be annoying if the whole class is using this feature out loud at the same time. Let's begin by clicking the bottom right corner and looking for accessibility
function. If it's not there because you've never used it before, you go ahead and click on this cog for settings, and then let's go to accessibility, and then right here go ahead and click on this button to turn it on, and then you'll be able to see it all the time. Now that we're here, what we do care about, or what we want to focus on right here, is this text to speech. So let's go ahead and click on that and make sure that this button right here, select to speak, is turned on. Now there are more settings right here that we could adjust. So if we click on this right here, we can select the different voices. This right here is the default.
I'm your text-to-speech voice.
You may find it very robotic and very annoying, so there are several others that you can choose.
Hi there, I'm your text-to-speech voice.
So whatever you prefer, go ahead and select that, and let's go ahead and close this out. Once again, if we go right here to the bottom right, you will see that this accessibility button is blue, which means it's on. If you go ahead and click it, you can see which accessibility features are currently on. Select to speech right here, once again, is now on. So let's go ahead and show how this works. I'm going to go ahead, let's open up a web page, and I have this Google Doc. And so if I want to, it's got a set of instructions here, and if I want to have the Chrome OS speak to me these instructions, what we're going to need to do is go ahead down on the bottom right, there's this button that has the microphone or a speaker, and it's crossed out, and as I mouse over it, it says select to speak. You want to go ahead and click on that, and then let's go ahead and take your mouse to a particular area, and I'm going to select the area I want it to take the text and speak to me with.
This assignment will have you build your own electronic portfolio website to reflect and demonstrate your knowledge of a chapter you have learned.
And there you go. It went ahead and spoke to me, or converted the text to speech. You can have it play again by pressing the play button. If you press this right here, it'll go to the next sentence.
Use Google Sites to help you create and host your web page portfolio.
If you want to go to the next paragraph,
check
then
out
it
this
can as well.
website on how to properly add pages, videos, etc., and to share, publish your site for me to view.
And let's say you want to increase the reading speed. You go ahead and click this. I'll double it up, and you can now hear it.
Use Google Drive on your phone to upload your videos into your Google Drive.
And there you go. Okay, if we go ahead and press the X, it'll close out of that. And if you want to select something again, you do need to go back down to this bottom right hand corner and select to speech.
This function also works on web pages.
Don't forget, you want to go down to the bottom right corner, press the select to speech button to turn it on. Let me go ahead and capture and select the area right here. Let's see what it sounds like.
Real problem. What NBA players already think about Victor Wembanyama?
Now it's double the speed, so if I want to go back and put it one time, you can go back and try it again. Oh. And there you go. Okay, so you can see how this feature can be very powerful to those students who need a little extra support. Reading this stuff isn't always their strong suit, so maybe listening to it will definitely be helpful. It also works for PDFs, however, it can be a little more finicky. You just have to kind of practice or play around with selecting the correct area, and then maybe scrolling through the different sentences that fast to the sentence that they want to be heard. Alright, I hope this was helpful, and go ahead and please share this with your students as well.